Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Aish and I'm back with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your own lashes. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But besides that, let's get started. Alright, so before you begin, you're going to need your own pair of lashes. These are lash extensions I got from Amazon. You're going to need some tweezers and some glue. And this is the finishing product. Get into it. Yeah. Bitch, I'm about to fly away. So this is what it should look like when you're done. I did 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. All of my things are down here at the bottom. Those are the shape that I use, the length, and what mix it is. And I'm not an esthetician. This is what works for me. So don't be in the comments trying to dog me. Cause get into the lashes. Alright, so with these lash extensions, after you finish, they last about a week and a half, I'm not gonna lie, but they also only take me like 16 minutes to do because I'm a pro now, period. So I do remove mine with a hot damp rag and they literally slide right off. Or I can wash them when I'm in the shower as well with my skincare routine. Either or works. My lashes never get pulled off and they never do any harm to them. So if you're worried about that, don't. And that's a wrap for the video. I hope your lashes come out just as great as mine. Like I said, this is just a quick, easy to fix though, just in case you're tired of those strip lashes. Then try something new, super cheap. These lashes, the hybrid set, volume sets, they're all like $150. Change that. All you need is about $10, some tweezers, some lashes, and some glue, and keep it pushing, period. But that's a wrap. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and thumbs up this video, y'all. Aish out.